Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. It's a drama.
Oh, what the backside me see about in the Jamaica cleaner? What alleged sexual harassment down her head now? What a piece of nastiness. What a piece of stress. How comes Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts get themselves in a this mess? Them claims a senior male teacher been making sexual advancements to several female students over there. And from the victims reported, nothing about it. And this has been going on for years. It would appear, according to the report, say corruption in the college system for the hierarchy hasn't taken the issue seriously, and the teacher still over there teaching. Edna Manley, on a really wait till it reach the public's eye before you consider this urgency. How no for have female students over there feel afraid that if them don't comply with him nastiness, them not gonna get a good grade? Rotted. I thought the basis of evaluation and assessment was determined by theoretical and practical performance in the arts. Me never know say it was based upon sexual performance. But what is the caca-clat? Awa! I'm gonna stop accept students like me because I don't know the size of my mouth. From day one it happened, me that call the press. A long time this would have come out. The teacher that would have left, me no care who know up a top. All with him connections them powerful. In teaching career would have to come to a full stop. Road would have to block. Pot cover with have to knock. Edna man the duppy would have to get up. And when she sees as a drummer, she'd have to lie down back. Oh, where the woman's rights there? Smarty, tag me two movements. Sexual harassment down at my farmer college is not a good excitement. Smarty, look under the carpet. For underneath the corruption sweep the reports. This sexual harassing Smarty, Edna, put him out. Put him out. Like only did put me out and I could pay the hostel fee. Attack the issue like how no attack the school fee balance with 119 emergency. Nobody taking a sweet time like when we apply for a transcript and I wait for higher education. Arts, music, dance, DRAMA. Get it together now, man. Edna Manley teach me to use the arts as a vehicle for social change. I mean, never know me that I have to drive the vehicle over there to get the system rearranged. It's a beautiful space that gave birth to so many powerful artists. Sexual harassment teacher, we burn out your dirty practice. My hope is a lie. Lord God, my hope is a publicity stunt. Expose the dirty teacher. Yeah, I had to make it blunt. Smarty, sort it out there for me, quick. Cause right now, me can't reach Jamaica. Get involved, do something, and while you're at it, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. It's a drama.